Welcome to the session. Today we are going to see about thyroid gland. This topic comes under chapter 5 in 10th standard biology. Thyroid gland, it is the one type of endocrine gland because it do not have duct to carry their secretions. It contains two lobes, right and left lobe, which are interconnected by thick tissue called isthmus. Isthmus connects these two lobes, and these two lobes are lying either side of the trachea. Once again I am repeating. Thyroid gland contains two lobes lying either side of the trachea, and these two lobes are interconnected by thick band of tissue called isthmus. It contains two cells, one is follicular cell, another one is epithelial cells. These are the follicular cells and these are the epithelial cells. The follicular cells surround the colloidal substances and forms the thyroglobulin. Follicular cells surround the colloidal material and forms the thyroglobulin. This structure shows the thyroglobulin. For the normal functioning of the thyroid gland, it needs two. One is thyrosin, another one is iodine. Thyrosin, it is an amino acid. Iodine mostly present in salt. These are the two important things which are required for the thyroid gland for its proper functioning. Thyroid gland secretes two hormones, triiodothyronine T3, tetraiodothyronine T4. Otherwise, it is said to be as thyroxine. These are the two hormones secreted by thyroid gland. Coming to the functions of thyroid hormone. It maintains BMR rate, that is basal metabolic rate. All the metabolic activities are controlled by thyroid hormone. And it maintains the normal body temperature. Influences the activity of CNS, central nervous system. It controls the activity of brain and spinal cord. It controls the growth of the hormones and bone formation. Thyroid hormone is essential for physical, mental and personality development, so that it is said to be as personality hormone, and it regulates cell metabolism. Thyroid gland requires 120 microgram of iodine for the production of thyroxine hormone. So daily we need 120 microgram of iodine for the secretion of thyroxine hormone. Coming to the thyroid dysfunction. That dysfunction means improper secretion of thyroid hormones leads to following conditions. One is hypothyroidism, another one is hyperthyroidism. Hypo means less level of thyroid hormone. Hyperthyroidism means if the hormone secreted in excess amount leads to hyperthyroidism. Hypothyroidism leads to the following three conditions: goiter, cretinism, myxoedema. Hyper means increased level secretion of hormone. First we will see about the goiter. Goiter, when the thyroid hormone is secreted in decreased level, leads to goiter. That is, inadequate supply of iodine leads to goiter. Mostly it is occur in Himalayan region because that the soil of the Himalaya contains less amount of iodine. This conditions leads to the enlargement of the thyroid gland. You can see the picture. In that picture, it shows the swelling of the neck because it is due to the enlargement of the thyroid gland. Next condition is cretinism. This is also occur due to the decreased secretion of the thyroid hormone. Decreased secretion of thyroid hormone leads to cretinism. Symptoms: stunted growth, mental defect, lack of skeletal development, and deformed bones. These are the symptoms of cretinism. The third condition is myxoedema. This also occurs due to the decreased secretion of thyroid hormone, deficiency of thyroid hormone. Symptoms: mental sluggish, increased body weight, puffiness in face. Look at these pictures here, here and here are puffiness. Will see. You can see the puffiness. Edematous appearance, that is the swelling of muscles due to the accumulation of fluid. Coming to the hyperthyroidism, this condition is occurred due to the increased level of thyroid hormone. Excess secretion of thyroid hormones leads to hyperthyroidism, otherwise known as Graves' disease. The symptoms are protrusion of eyeballs, increased metabolic rate, high body temperature, profuse sweating. So due to the high body temperature, profuse sweating will occur. So it reduces the body weight and causes the nervousness. These are the symptoms of hyperthyroidism.